Well, hi everybody. Good morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski on this Thursday morning. It is 7:12 in the morning as of the start of this recording. We do actually still have some showers out there this morning. It's not a lot, but especially right in here, there are some showers this morning southeast of the Tri-Cities. Meanwhile, the skies are beginning to clear out in central Nebraska. A lot of clearing back towards the west and the northwest here. We'll continue to clear up the skies as the day goes on. Still a slight chance of rain this morning, early afternoon right in here. And then the skies will eventually clear up there as well. I do not expect this to happen. This model is an outlier. It does not show, most models do not show this rain materializing in north central Kansas. So I'm not including north central Kansas in a chance of weather or rain for today, other than what we have early this morning. We'll continue to be mostly clear overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. I'm a little iffy on this right here in northeast Nebraska. Now we have a cold front that's going to be moving into the northern part of the state tomorrow morning. That'll start to bring a few extra clouds. That front will be somewhere in here tomorrow at noon, continuing to press south and eastward here. So most of us will heat up again ahead of this cold front. The front won't come through until later in the day, when after the peak heating of the day. But as it moves through, which will be right here at 5 o'clock, showers and isolated thunderstorms are possible. They will continue into the evening hours as the cold front pushes southeast here. Potentially maybe a more intense thunderstorm here. This is not saying the Tri-Cities area is going to see a super strong thunderstorm. This just kind of gives you a hint of what we could see around the area along that front. But maybe some severe weather, localized heavy rainfall would be kind of nice as well. And then these will weaken and diminish into the evening hours. So not a lot left after midnight here. In fact, skies will clear out after midnight, and that's going to take us into a sun-filled Sunday. A lot of what we're going to see in the days ahead. Also Saturday morning, though, look what we have with the winds. Northerly winds, the cold front down here to the southeast. Northerly winds are going to draw in some cooler air, so not so hot for your Saturday. There is a small chance of a little bit of severe weather for tomorrow afternoon and evening, mainly about Hastings eastward and southward here. Right in here where I'm expecting the best chance of rain and thunderstorms. Now, if some other models start to match our in-house forecast model, maybe GI and Kearney need to be included in that as well. But right now it looks like large hail, damaging wind gusts will be the main threats. Well, on to your temperatures for today, which are going to be hot, upper 80s, low to mid 90s for high temperatures. Give me a fairly toasty one out there this afternoon. 60s tonight, maybe a few upper 50s out west, but most of us lows in the 60s. Tomorrow, during the day, it's going to be another hot one out there. Low to mid-90s for highs, perhaps upper 90s off to the southwest. Tomorrow night, 50s and 60s as that cooler air starts to make its way in. And Saturday, a noticeably cooler day for much of the area, with high temperatures ranging from the upper 70s to near 80 across the northeast to the upper 80s out towards the west and the southwest. We'll go with 82 to 83 here in the Tri-Cities area for Saturday afternoon. And speaking of, actually, here before we get into that 7-day forecast, let's check out the, well, if my graphics don't freeze on me anyway, there's the Husker game day forecast. 2:30 kickoff at Memorial Stadium between the Fighting Hawks, formerly the Fighting Sioux of North Dakota, taking on the Huskers, first home game of the season. And temperatures will be cooler and pretty nice here. The only big issue, you're probably going to want some sunshine out, or some sunscreen out there for Saturday afternoon. Lots of sun expected. Temperatures in the low to mid 80s. Winds out of the north-northeast 5 to 15 miles per hour. By the time the game ends, about 82 degrees. But the weather looks good there in Lincoln on Saturday. Now, let's go to that 7-day forecast here. And again, we've talked about these next 3 days. Still hot the next couple of days, then a bit cooler, about 10 degrees cooler on Saturday. And dry weather is going to pretty much persist for the rest of this forecast here after Friday evening. You can see a lot of sunshine Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Labor Day, the Monday there, all the way through Tuesday and Wednesday. Temperatures will be cooler on Saturday and Saturday night, down in the lower 50s into Sunday morning. But Sunday does start to warm up here, and that trend will continue, so we're back to the toastier conditions by the middle of next week. Now, long range, it looks like most of next week will be fairly warm and dry, and then by the following weekend, the second weekend of September, there are signs of maybe finally a bit of a cool down and maybe some moisture returning to the forecast. So, with that, that's all I have for you for today. I want to thank you all for watching. I'll see you all again on Friday morning to wrap up the work week. Until then, take care and God bless. Bye.